To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, I'm Harsha Sharma and welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. We often wonder when we'll get the coronavirus vaccine. What are the various vaccines which are undergoing clinical trials and what is the status of these vaccines? To satiate this anxiety, Dr. Harshvardhan, Union Minister of Science and Technology, Earth Sciences and Health and Family Welfare, has launched a vaccine web portal. The vaccine portal has been developed by ICMR and provides all the information related to vaccine development in India. Apart from this, people will be easily getting the information related to the ongoing research and clinical trials about the vaccine on this online portal. Apart from this, a national clinical registry of COVID-19 was also launched by the Honorable Minister. This clinical registry will collect systematic data on clinical signs and symptoms, management protocols, clinical course, disease spectrums and outcome of patients. Indian research community is coming up with better diagnostic kits for coronavirus testing. Equine Biotech, a startup incubated at Bangalore-based Indian Institute of Science or IISc, has also joined this league. They have come up with an indigenous RT-PCR diagnostic kit called Global Diagnostic Kit for accurate and affordable diagnosis of COVID-19. This test kit is based on reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction, which is the gold standard for COVID-19 diagnosis and has been approved for the use in authorized COVID-19 diagnostic labs by ICMR. The test just takes about 1.5 hours to confirm the presence of SARS-CoV-2 in patient sample. This kit is easy to use with 100% specificity. This new kit will help in ramping up testing in the country, which is crucial for tracking and controlling of spread of this infectious disease. India needs homegrown diagnostic kits that can easily be mass-produced and made accessible to a larger population, and this new kit is a step forward in that direction. With COVID-19 infection, the biomedical waste such as used PPE kits, gloves, etc. has increased many folds. To ensure that the infection does not spread due to these, scientists from IIT Tirupati and IISER Tirupati have come up with a portable sterilization unit to decontaminate the used PPE kits. The scientists were supported by the Science and Engineering Board of the Department of Science and Technology to make this sterilization unit. This portable sterilization unit uses a new technology called the hybrid sterilization system that can decontaminate PPE easily and rapidly, allowing them to be used multiple times. Unlike the traditional UV system, this unit follows the optical cavity concept to optimize the use of photon flux in the treatment area. The system confines the UV radiation and enhances photon flux and sterilization efficacy. The coherent operation of UVC, cold plasma and H2O2 spray further strengthens the sterilization efficiency due to more hydroxyl radical production, which sterilizes the PPE effectively. This unit will help the country in managing the PPE waste in a better manner. Let's hear more on this from our expert Dr. Ritesh Kumar Gangwar and Dr. Shahabuddin M. Maliaka from Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati.
Concern about the various household items जो हम use कर रहे हैं कि whether we should, how much time we should keep them and after how much time we should use them, and there is no particular studies available. So if you have a very efficient sterilization system, then you can sterilize, and then while using these items you will be very secure, safe. You will be not concerned much and you can use these items very safely. So our idea is to utilize the existing technology but in a more efficient way. So our design has the capability to basically focus the photon flux at the treatment area in a uniform way, so that in a lesser time you can achieve more in the required treatment. Another thing is UV has some of the drawbacks. One drawback is its penetration power is very less, so it cannot penetrate. So only surface disinfection can be achieved. And also the only UV treatment requires a lot of time to disinfect the PPE. So what we are doing, we are basically hybridizing some other technology in a coherent manner so that the end product is will be like we can get very efficient treatment in a very less time.
Sterilization system, what is most important is the UV dose. UV dose is actually the product of UV intensity and the exposure time. And in conventional system, what happens, the intensity of UV attenuate with the distance from the cord sleeve. So you will not have uniform photons throughout the treatment area. So if you wanted to get a very high efficiency, or if you wanted to get quick deactivation of microbes, you have to keep your, the object very close to the UV lamp. So to tackle that issues, what we have done is we have created an optical cavity made from two parallel reflecting surfaces. So what happens here is that unlike conventional or traditional UV system, so you will have, because of the reflection of UV, you will have a uniform UV intensity throughout the treatment area.
That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. We'll be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Namaskar.